How thoughtless of you to let me down when I thought you'd be around.
Lend me your ears right here in this time and place, and let me tell you why the US needs to spend more time in space. See, contrary to the thought that space travel is a waste, another big step for mankind is what we need to take. Now first, let's talk about space travel's origin. The Cold War, that is where it all begins. A space race, pin the US versus the Soviets. Space is the new frontier, it was time to start exploring it. Russia acted first, launching a satellite before the US. Americans wondered what we would do next, so we answered right back to let the Russians know they hadn't won. In 58 we launched a satellite named the Explorer 1. But wait, the race doesn't stop right there. The Soviets answered back by sending a manned rocket in the air. So next, the US had to act real soon, and then in 69 we put a man on the moon. Astronauts Collins, Aldrin, and Armstrong won the space race, and the US flexed our Armstrong. Lend me your ears right here in this time and place, and let me tell you why the US needs to spend more time in space. See, contrary to the thought that space travel is a waste, another big step for mankind is what we need to take. Technological advancements have led to us discovering new solar systems and planets, broadening our knowledge of space and widening the canvas at a much higher velocity. New inventions like the Mars rover named the Curiosity explore all the places man can't go, collecting data and samples to learn what we don't know. The James Webb telescope can see the universe's history, uncovering space mysteries. Space travel is vital, so listen please. Lend me your ears right here in this time and place, and let me tell you why the US needs to spend more time in space. See, contrary to the thought that space travel is a waste, another big step for mankind is what we need to take. Now let's talk about what is coming up next, like commercial space travel becoming a success with reusable rockets in a company called SpaceX. A step into the future is what the US will take next. Space travel is vital to the US as a nation. We have the #1 position in space exploration. We cannot be waiting, we cannot be stalling. The unknown parts of space are ultimately calling our name to come and take a visit. We need to explore space, and the sky is not the limit. Lend me your ears right here in this time and place, and let me tell you why the US needs to spend more time in space. See, contrary to the thought that space travel is a waste, another big step for mankind is what we need to take. Yeah.